Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create a new project in Hubstaff. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.hubstaff.com and log in to your Hubstaff account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, we're going to set our focus on the left panel and we're going to click on Project Management. After clicking on Project Management, a simple drop-down menu will appear from Projects, To-Dos, and Clients. Now, we're going to set our focus on Projects, and then you can see here all the existing projects that you have. But to add and create a new one, we're going to click here on this button right here. Once we're inside, we're going to set our project name. Let's say our project name is Space. Now, we can choose if it's going to be billable, if we will disable it as an activity, or if we would disable the idle time right here. And then we're going to select a client from the different clients that we already have. And then on the members, we're going to set who would be the managers, who would be the users, and who would be the viewers right here. After that, we're going to go to budgets and limits and select if it's going to be based on total cost or based on total hours. It would be up to us. And then what would it be based on? Based on the bill rate or the pay rate. And then what would be the cost? After that, we can choose if we would notify the project members right here. And then as for the teams, we can even select the teams from the current teams that we already have. And once we're done with that, simply click on Save. After clicking on Save, you can check right here if your project is saved. And as you can see, the project that we just did is right here. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!